So it's been a while, but this time we're in a very different location again. Today I'm flying to Costa Rica and my flight's boarding in about 10 minutes. So let's get ready. Good morning. Today is my first day in Costa Rica. And today the first thing on the list is getting to Puerto Viejo. This is going to be another 5-hour bus drive. Anyway, I'm gonna get some snacks and then jump on a bus. Welcome to Puerto Viejo. After a 5.5-hour bus drive, we finally arrived, and this place looks lovely already. Got some good vibes over here. Anyway, we need to find a hostel, and we'll check around for a bit. Hey, found a hostel. Hagaloo. We just checked into the hostel, and now it's time to walk around for a bit here in Puerto Viejo, see what we can do around here. So far everything is looking very nice, has a nice feeling to it, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like this one. Place on the beach, and we're having a nice cold one. The kids are playing some football. Not my kids, but they're playing football. So far, so good. Right? Okay, yes. This place has my approval for now. Good morning from beautiful Costa Rica. Today we are still in Puerto Viejo, one of those. Anyway, we're gonna rent some bikes and then we're gonna see what we can find to the south of Puerto Viejo. There should be a nice beach, and we're gonna visit the animal rescue center. They take in injured and ill animals and they release them when they're in better health. So that should be a very nice experience. So first of all, let's get some bikes. So we found some bikes right across from the hostel. So for 3,000 each, we get a bike for the entire day. That's pretty nice. Let's get rolling. I'm actually enjoying this bike ride. First time ever in my life. So we're getting close to Punta Uva right now. We're about 1 kilometer away. And I think the Coco Loco is waiting for us on the beach. Just a quick stop at Punta Uva. It's a very nice beach. The weather is not perfect, but still it's very nice. The water is really wild right now, and my drone is not working quite properly, so yeah, perfect. Anyway, on to the rescue center now. Hey, back to our rescue center.
Guys, I will take the first 13, 14 of you guys, which means we gotta walk past some really cool animals. Put on your blinders for now. We will be back to see them in just a second, but we do need to get out of the way of this other group, so follow me.
So we're on the way back from the sanctuary, and people there were just so passionate about taking care of those animals and making sure they have a good life and get better. If you get to Puerto Viejo, you should definitely pay a visit to the Jaguar Rescue Center because they are doing such a good job, and just for that reason I chose not to film in there. I do have some nice pictures. Check out my Instagram if you want to see them. It's down here. And now let's get back to Puerto Viejo. I don't know how to pronounce this, but anyway, there was this Jamaican food court and they had the most amazing food. I had a goat curry, and that was so damn delicious. That might be the best goat I've ever had. And apparently the guy is only there for 2 days a week, so you better be lucky and you better be in time because the goat curry is gonna sell out. Anyway, that was lovely. We're now enjoying Playa Cocos. Good morning from beautiful Costa Rica. We're gonna go visit a national park, which is the Cahuita National Park, which is located about 18 kilometers to the north of Puerto Viejo. And we're gonna take a bus there. And it might take up to like half an hour. And there should be some lovely animals over there. And beautiful nature, of course. So the bus leaves in about an hour, so we might as well just hang around on the beach for a bit. It's got a bit cloudy again, but today's gonna be a good day. Okay, the bus should be here any minute. I think we pay like around 1,000 each person. I'm hoping to see some very beautiful wildlife today. Very excited. Okay, so we made it to the entrance in Cahuita, and apparently you can enter for free here, but it would be nice if you donate to the park just to keep, to keep it up. Let's see what kind of animals and plants we can spot in here. Apparently this park has actually been set up to protect the coral reefs on the coast here, and not particularly for the wildlife, but that's a nice extra. Crocodiles do not swim. Okay, let's take a look at this water. This looks... yes. I would love to go swimming here. So lovely. Who in their right mind would jump into this water? Even if there was no crocodile. That is disgusting. So good. I love this beach. I haven't seen a natural beach like this ever. I'm really enjoying this one. Okay, it has come to the point that I think the barefoot saga must continue. Anyway, apparently the rest of the trail is closed, so we turned around and now we're gonna enjoy it from the other side. Maybe see some raccoons this time. Might get lucky because I feel like we're being quite unlucky. We've seen, to be exact, 2 animals and some ants. So pretty unlucky. Need to watch where I walk. You cannot believe how much I've missed this walking barefoot in the jungle. We found the jacuzzi. No, that's disgusting. I think we're the last ones out. I have to say, this was fucking beautiful. I have loved this place. This is probably the most natural beach I've ever seen. And there's absolutely no trash at all. So this is just magnificent. Definitely recommend you to come here and see this place. Although it's the smallest, I think the actual smallest national park of entire Costa Rica, it is so damn beautiful. We might have been a bit unlucky with all the animals. We've only seen a few, but still, a lovely place. Now we need to find a bus back to Puerto Viejo, and then we have one last mission here in Costa Rica, which is finding the perfect Coco Loco. So yesterday got a bit late and it was a bit dark, so we didn't end up finding the Coco Loco, not the real one in a coconut. But anyway, today we're moving to our next country, which is going to be Panama. So we're going to be stepping on a bus soon, and then I will see you on the next one in Panama. So yeah.